Crafting compelling Google Ads copy involves understanding your audience, using clear and concise language, and incorporating strong calls to action. Focus on highlighting unique selling points and benefits to capture attention and drive engagement. Testing different variations can optimize performance and enhance your campaign's effectiveness. Google Ads is a pay-per-click platform where advertisers bid on keywords to display ads. It offers precise targeting, allowing businesses to reach potential customers actively searching for their products. With its vast reach across Google Search, Maps, YouTube, and partner sites, Google Ads provides unparalleled opportunities for businesses to connect with their audience. Google Ads is a pay-per-click platform where your ads appear when potential customers search for related products or services. It spans Google Search, Maps, YouTube, and partner sites, holding over 90% market share. This reach offers businesses unparalleled opportunities to connect with audiences precisely when they're seeking solutions. Advertisers submit bids when users search, competing with maximum bid amounts and ad copy for keywords. Google evaluates quality score, considering ad relevance, landing page experience, and expected click-through rate. Ad rank is calculated by multiplying the bid by quality score. Higher quality ads can secure top positions even with lower bids, benefiting small businesses. Every Google search triggers an automated auction, ranking ads based on ad rank, which combines your bid and quality score. This process occurs in milliseconds, ensuring cost-effective ad placements. Mastering this system allows you to craft ads that consistently win auctions, optimizing your advertising strategy. A simple Google search ad consists of 3 key components: headlines, descriptions, and display URL. Headlines, up to 30 characters each, capture attention. Descriptions, up to 90 characters, expand on benefits. The display URL, shown in green, builds trust. Ad extensions enhance visibility with additional information like phone numbers and site links. Google search ads consist of key components: headlines, descriptions, display URL, and ad extensions. Headlines, up to 3, capture attention with blue text. Descriptions, up to 2 lines, expand on benefits. The display URL, in green, builds trust. Ad extensions add useful details like phone numbers and site links, enhancing ad prominence. In crafting your first ad copy, integrate relevant keywords seamlessly into headlines and descriptions to boost relevance and quality score. Highlight your unique value proposition to stand out from competitors. Use strong calls to action like "buy now" or "sign up today." Keep language simple and benefit-focused, avoiding jargon. Creating an ad for Downtown Artisan Bakery involves crafting compelling headlines like "Fresh Artisan Bread Daily" to highlight freshness and uniqueness. Offering options like "order online" or "visit us today" caters to convenience. Descriptions emphasize organic ingredients and benefits, like free delivery. Clear calls to action, such as "order now," enhance engagement and likely boost quality score. Optimizing ad copy is crucial for better performance. Focus on crafting compelling headlines and descriptions that resonate with your audience. Use A/B testing to refine your messaging. Ensure alignment between ad copy and landing page content to build trust and improve quality score. Leverage emotional triggers and specificity to enhance engagement and drive conversions. Utilize responsive search ads by testing up to 15 headlines and 4 descriptions. Google's machine learning optimizes combinations for each query. Align ad copy with landing page content for trust and improved quality score. Be specific with details like 24-hour support. Leverage emotional triggers such as urgency and exclusivity for impact. Google's Ad Strength Indicator evaluates responsive search ads on diversity, relevance, and quality. Ads rated excellent achieve 12% more conversions than good ads, and over 3 times more than poor ads. Swoop, a Canadian airline, boosted revenue by 71% by optimizing keyword-rich ads with high ad strength ratings. Measuring success in digital advertising involves tracking key metrics like click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, CVR, quality score, and cost per click, CPC. A higher click-through rate indicates compelling ad copy, while a conversion rate of 2 to 5% is typical. Focus on improving quality score to reduce cost per click and enhance ad performance, making each dollar more effective. Track key metrics for ad success. Click-through rate, CTR, should be 3 to 5% or higher, indicating compelling copy. Conversion rate, CVR, averages 2 to 5%, reflecting effective calls to action. Quality score, rated 1 to 10, impacts cost per click, CPC. Aim for 7+ to lower costs and enhance ad position. Test multiple ad variations to find what resonates. Weekly performance reviews help spot trends. Pause low performers, boost winners, and update seasonally. Use ad extensions for visibility. Leverage tools like Keyword Planner, Ad Strength Indicator, and Performance Planner. Google Skillshop offers free courses. Focus on solving customer problems and delivering clear value. Crafting your first Google ad requires clear, relevant, and benefit-driven copy that addresses customer needs. Integrate search keywords with compelling calls to action. Continuously test and refine your ads based on performance data. Remember, every expert began as a novice. Embrace these basics, stay inquisitive, and you'll achieve impactful advertising results.